Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup. First, gather your ingredients and essential kitchen tools. Next, prepare the canned soup for heating. You can easily enhance its flavor with simple additions. Finally, serve and enjoy your warm, comforting meal. This guide will help you create a delicious and quick dish with minimal effort, perfect for any time you need a comforting bowl. To begin, you'll need 1 standard can of chicken noodle soup. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a stirring spoon readily available. For an extra touch, consider optional additions such as a 1/4 cup of shredded chicken or a tablespoon of fresh parsley. A measuring cup might be handy if you plan to dilute the soup slightly with water or broth. Now, carefully pour the entire contents of your canned soup into the saucepan. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally to ensure even heating. During the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, stir in any optional ingredients you've chosen, allowing them to warm through. Once the soup is thoroughly heated, carefully pour it into your favorite bowl. For a final flourish, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Serve your comforting chicken noodle soup immediately, perhaps alongside some crusty bread or a few crackers. Enjoy this quick, delicious, and satisfying meal that feels wonderfully homemade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.